Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had somebody ask me a question regarding my pelargoniums. People also call them geraniums in the UK. She's asked me, or he has, I don't know, male or female, sorry about that. These are my cuttings that I took earlier on this year, well late on last year. As you can see, done really well, even though they've dried out a few times. They're all looking really nice. I've numbered them all so I know which mother plant they come from, 4 sticks, so on. So what I shall do is just show you how I go about doing it. First of all, as you can see there, that one is just starting to grow. I'll nip that out first, that flower bud. If you want them to thicken up later on, you're better off doing that. I've let some of these flower, which I shouldn't have done. Right, as you can see, I've got one here. This one. No, I won't choose that one. I will choose one that's a little bit taller. In fact, I can find one a little bit. That's a bit better. Not much taller, but it's got more side shoots. So yeah, as you can see, there. That's got plenty of side shoots. That's been nipped out already once. As you can see there, it sent out a shoot there and there. So yeah, we'll go back to this one. So all you need to do, yeah, is take your scissors, anything sharp, secateurs, whatever, just nip them just above a leaf node like that, and then that should send out shoots from there and there. That should thicken up, and then when they get a little bit taller, all you do, you just do that again, you just nip them out again, and you get bushier, much bushier, and much healthier and more vigorous plants. This is what that I nipped out a few weeks ago. As you can see, now it's got loads of little side shoots coming. Then what I'll do with them side shoots, there's one there, and that gets a little bit longer. I shall nip that out, and that way you get a nice compact, a nice bushy plant. I use a mixture of peat-based compost with a little bit of perlite in it. That's what I tend to grow them in, and they seem to respond really well to that. As you can see, these are cuttings, these are not even main plants. All these flowers should have been taken off, but I'm neglecting them a little bit. Anyway, that's the question answered. How to pinch out your pelargoniums. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And thank you for watching, everybody, and keep safe. Remember, folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Please give me a thumbs up. Have a good day, folks. Bye.